first left onto Maya Drive, then turn right onto Phoenix Street.
Copy that. I need 2 for each still. We need 3 more for each.
Turn right onto Phoenix Street. Continue on Phoenix Street for 3/4 of a mile. Turn right onto 6th Avenue, South Haven Place.
Central 2223 is on scene. Nothing showing.
Take the second right onto 6th Avenue, South Haven Place. In half a mile, turn right onto 8th Avenue, Aylworth Avenue. Right onto 8th Avenue, Aylworth Avenue, then turn right onto South Bailey Avenue. Take the next right onto South Bailey Avenue. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto LaGrange Street. Take the next right onto LaGrange Street.
Apologies, stand by 111 dispatching.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Elkenberg Street. Turn left onto Elkenberg Street, then continue straight to stay on Elkenberg Street. Continue straight to stay on Elkenberg Street, then continue straight to stay on Elkenberg Street. Continue straight to stay on Elkenberg Street. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Edgell Street.
We had a light going on. Which one are you in command of again? Edgell Street. Thanks on that. South Haven units responding to Edgell Street per 102. Respond non-emergency at this time. Again, all.
Turn left onto Edgell Street, then your destination will be on the left.
Clear 1129. 2241 on scene, Edgell Street. 41's on scene, Edgell at 1129.
Your destination is on the left.